The EMS system has allowed us to review our systems and processes relating to timetable, daily organisation, our financial systems, our reporting systems, the way we collect data, the way we share data, and the way we communicate with the various stakeholders in the school. It was obvious EDSAS it was an old system, and it was really, information was privileged to a few because you needed an admin computer to access.
There's a lot of systems that are making our life a lot easier, and mainly because of the new ethos around EMS being plugging in third parties. So what we like is that we're able to have the flexibility of using those systems that have been built over many years, but the power is really integrating with the main database being EMS.
So the EMS model that we implemented here at Woodville High School was a mix of the educational management system with the student warehouse and student data and finance modules, and then we built in some third-party providers. So we built in EdVal as our timetabling solutions, and we brought in Sector as our learner management system, which allows us to then mark and assess and provide all those things that the students need in the classroom.
From the teacher's perspective, it's been really great because now that we have the integration, we're able to only use one window, being Sector. Teachers can find more data through EMS, but they don't need to because that data is fed directly into Sector.
Benefits also included just the ease of the day-to-day operations, things like marking attendance, marking assessment pieces that are coming in, providing really detailed feedback to the students and families about, one, how well they're going, but two, what they can improve on for the next assessment. So there's some of the really great benefits of the kind of custom EMS package that we put together here at Woodville High School.
My advice to schools is that really scoping out the work, what will be required, being clear on the educational outcomes, be clear on the timeline, the costs, both human and financial and physical costs, and also having a real clear understanding of what you're hoping to get out of the transition.